Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to hide chat on Snapchat and iPhone. So make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up my Snapchat. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on my chats at the bottom left corner. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead and let's say for example, I'm going to enter, let's say this chat, right? For example, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click other name at the top. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click the three dots at the top right, and from here you're going to see chat notification settings, and you're going to see right here clear chat or clear from chat feed, and by clicking it, this will clear conversations from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in the conversation. Hit clear, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be able right here to see that my conversation is gone. If I wanted to get back to it, I could just go ahead and click on the add friends at the top right, and basically search for the person that you actually talk to. Or let me just go back right here and go to the camera and basically click that search at the top, and then click or find their name on Snapchat, and basically you're gonna be able to enter the chat, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.